Today's episode, Where Can You Eat Keto When You're Out? Part 3, Chicken Sandwich, Hold the Bun. Continuing our series on how simple and easy it is to eat and stay keto, even if you forgot to plan for the day. You left your house, you forgot to pack your lunch, whatever the reason, you're out and about, didn't bring any keto food with you. It seems kind of weird, but you can actually eat pretty healthy at fast food places if you know what to order. Grilled chicken sandwich without the bun is keto friendly and ready to add the toppings to make it more tasty and even more keto. Most restaurants have this option these days if you just ask. Always make sure to read the menu because you want to avoid any marinated items that contain sugar. This would usually be any sweet sauces that include any kind of sweetener, including honey or maple syrup. Here are some suggestions for high-fat, low-carb chicken meal when you're on the go. Chick-fil-A, grilled chicken nuggets dipped in 2 servings of ranch avocado dressing. This will get you 3 grams of carbs, 420 calories, 18 grams of fat, 25 grams of protein. At Burger King, grilled chicken sandwich with no bun and extra mayo. This comes out to 2 grams of carbs, 350 calories, 25 grams of fat, 30 grams of protein. McDonald's Pico guacamole sandwich without the bun. 9 grams of carbs, 330 calories, 18 grams of fat, 34 grams of protein. Wendy's grilled chicken sandwich with extra mayo, no bun. 5 grams of carb, 286 calories, 16 grams of fat, 29 grams of protein. And there you go. Simple and easy. Now, these dinners do change over time as restaurants are always changing the menus, so it's always a good idea to look at the menu and check and make sure they haven't added anything weird. But even if they do, that's okay, because once you understand the basic idea and how to figure out what you're looking at, you can go ahead and order even places that aren't on this list. Just make sure you check the ingredients and you know what you're looking at as far as ingredients. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com. And we'll see you next time.